How simple is it to make a web application? Every company needs application, but building product takes a long time. Building scalable backend architecture is hard. There's an easier way. Let's talk about creating a backend which is a few clicks with Kontenbase. Kontenbase has a handful of features. Instead of developing your backend API from scratch, let's create and manage the services with easy data modeling. You will get the auto-generated REST API of each service. Then directly consume your project on the front end using REST API or simply use the SDK. You can also access the data with the data table view. The performance and availabilities are like common development. The authentication API is set up by default and easily adjusts the authorization for the permission of each role with just a few clicks. Creating an application with the easiest way that can be accessed anywhere and anytime without the need to install application right on your browser, and all the files are available on the cloud. You can make any application you need effortlessly in seconds. Just like a chat app, you can get a real-time message for your app. Awesome, it's fast and easy. Have any feedback or want to suggest an improvement? Please let us know by using the feedback button. Content-based, no-code backend API.